Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how to change Instagram password very easily. So let's get started. First of all, open your Play Store and then type Instagram and search it, and then you should update your Instagram. Okay, after update your Instagram, then launch on your Instagram application. Okay guys, after launch on your Instagram, then tap on the top down right corner your profile icon here. Just tap your profile. Okay, after open your profile, then tap on the top right corner menu bar option here. Here menu bar option, just tap this menu bar, and then on the down you get settings option. Look at this. Here have a settings option. Just tap on these settings, and now you get security option here. Look at this, there have a security option. Just tap on this security, and then you get on the first password option. Just tap on password, and then you should type your current password first, then type new password, then again new password. Okay, I type it. On. Wait here few moments. Okay guys, after type your password, everything finished, then tap on the top right corner tick mark, and now your password was changed. So in this way you can change your password, Instagram password, very easily. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.